Yo guys, it's Chloe. Tell us what's up in the comments.
The difference between your
I'm here with me. Chill.
because you can hear them clicking. I hear
Guys,
them.
I'm shrinking.
I'm sized.
Save me. Save me.
It's a bit like a telemark.
Yeah, so it's almost they're trying to keep as much contact on the ice as possible, and then naturally
Wait, I think I'm growing.
recourse
Yes, I'm growing. You can see me again. Oh my god. I'm growing. I'm growing. I'm growing. I'm growing. I have grown back too much. I'm too fast.
Polishing them. We get.
There we go. I am perfect.
Ice does actually scratch.
So guys, from the last video we were doing the Wibble Wobble challenge.
Guys, I am science today.
And that's what happened.
I am science today, guys. So
We fell.
Depends on time between races.
see, guys, it's science.
We have to say guys. Just
Because we
ignore
don't know
the
any
guys.
other person's name.
Exactly.
So
Be quiet, mother.
Hours and hours the night.
Guys, this is my real hair.
Polishing up your runners. And yeah, like you say, it was a
No, I can see the label.
That's what you did. You spent time bonding with your
Guys,
siblings,
comment down
bonding
below
with
if you
your
can
equipment.
see
And
the
also, you
label.
said earlier,
It's right.
because I was interested whether or not you get molded. Like, are they really individuals? Do you
Okay,
realise?
Rachel, I would film this because this is going to be really cool.
Could you see the label, guys?
Turn it round.
Guys,
We're just like properly filming it.
this is my real size.
Well, Elise actually said she has.
Oh no, that's a pencil.
She's conservatives in her lucky dish.
But you might want to move us away.
Her old favourites.
That was a better belly flop than me.
Okay, I'll do a belly flop. Guys, I'll do a belly flop in 3, 2, 1, 0, go.
To get used to them as well. You don't want to take that.
So we're going to do
Pictures from the luge, particularly at the start. When you see the
another video schedule.
The luge starts.
You guys asked us to tell us your video schedule like ages ago, so we're gonna do it right now, right here, right now. So the video schedule is this one. Don't twerk in front of the camera. So basically, we're
Bye-bye,
gonna do this
camera.
video.
The camera is blue now.
Then later on, my grandmother is going to arrive here.
Grandmother.
My grandmother. We are going to do each other's makeup challenge. Noah, please. He's fake crying. We'll not give away stuff. We'll not give away stuff in this video.
Well, we are giving away some stuff, but like not in this
So
channel.
this video, not this channel. This is the only channel that we have.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, we have two. On yours and Noah's.
Then we are the same Google account, so we're on the same YouTube account. So basically, we're gonna do the makeup challenge. We will describe to you right now, so we don't have to describe it to you in the next video. So basically, first, I'm going to be doing Rachel's makeup. She'll look way better.
Yeah, you look.
Then, me and Rachel.
I felt it before that we released
This girl and this girl.
Oh, no. It was Damon Hill.
This girl
Oh, we got a milk?
and this girl
Guys.
is going to do this boy's makeup. You did that right. He doesn't want to, but we're gonna have to. And then after that, well, what's gonna happen? I'm gonna do Rachel's. Rachel's gonna do mine.
She's
and then
gonna
Noah's
look
is
beautiful. I
going
might
to be-
kiss her.
Noah's is going to be the bonus round. Yep.
Never again will I clear up your mess.
Ah,
I'll be back in 1 minute.
me too. I'm coming. No, I'm not going anywhere.
Just
do it. Ah!
Coming down here,
Better
can you
tell
see
them to
me?
stop shouting. I'm Claudia. I'm not doing the challenge.
Can you see me?
You're not in the challenge.
I'm not letting you do the challenge.
Basically, the next challenge is to stick this up mine. Nose. I'm gonna try and make myself sneeze. Oh. This is the funniest sneeze, just so you know.
Don't not sneeze on me.
It's not coming out. When I'm on the spot, it doesn't come out. Oh. Comment down below if you like my sneeze.
And comment down
It's
below.
all over me, guys.
Comment down below if you think that was a real sneeze. Hey, stop telling them.
Ugh.
I heard that. Hey, see, I love you.
There's someone getting out of the way.
Now, this is not me, guys. This is another girl.
Good luck, Grandma.
Hi, that is Chloe's. Oh, it's not focused. Oh, there we go.
Wait, turn it around. I want them to hear my sneeze.
Yeah, I haven't even seen it.
Globo's here!
You want to come behind?
Globo's here, guys.
Can we?
Guys, Globo's here.
Does it all look
Yes, I didn't
It's
get
all
it.
like you say, tea.
That's in my eye.
I want a tea! Oh, that wasn't a real sneeze, just so you know.
Yeah, it was.
No, that one that I was.
Every time I
The
close
one that I just said.
But you have to
I
start
want
from the
a
start.
tea!
Start from the
That
start.
was
more
a
like the keys or
You have to
something.
start from the start.
So basically, guys, we're gonna end this video here.
Not really.
Good.
One,
Yeah.
one last sneeze.
I was asleep on there.
So guys, make
Do it.
sure you like, subscribe,
Do
and hit the bell notifications.
Do
And I'll see you in
Sarah couldn't.
Do it on me.
Sarah
Do
couldn't.
it. Do the scene on me.
in the next
So she's been clearing this up.
in the next video. Goodbye.
I said